Hey guys, it's Teresa, and I'm gonna do the squishy collection, so the homemade squishy collection. So let's get started. But first, let me just bring all my homemade squishies out. So yeah. I have a lot, so this is gonna be a long video. Okay, so the first thing I have is this donut, and it's really squishy, but like the nail polish comes off, and I just don't really like it. This heart. This donut, or like the puddings that they make. This other donut, and it's really squishy. I like it better than the other one. Heart. And these are really like charms. They're just like beads for a bracelet. This other cake. This cake. I have a lot of cakes. This tart. This cake slice. This huge cake slice. So let me just put these all back. And most of my squishies are homemade because I don't know where to buy the squishies. But maybe I'm gonna go to San Francisco and then get the squishies in Chinatown. So yeah. Other chart. Very squishy too. This heart donut. This cake roll. This squishy necklace. And I wear this all the time. And it's a crafting one. Then I have this cake slice. And I gotta go really fast. This donut. This like cake roll concept, I don't know. And as you can't see, there's silicone all over here. This One Direction duct tape cake. And it's not that squishy because it has like glue in the middle, but that's okay. Okay, just pause. I have to stop. Okay. Then I have this cake roll. It's really squishy and I love it. This happy face. This cake. This heart cake. This cake roll. This Nutella sandwich, and it's not that squishy, but like on the side it's not that squishy, but on the middle it's really squishy. And it has a kissy face. And I have this cake. Oops, the silicone is falling off. Okay, let me just put it back on there. Okay, that's okay. Okay, this cake slice. Oh, sorry, that's squishy. Oh, okay, I'll go to later. This tea for Teresa. This cake slice. And this like sushi type of thing. This is so cute. This is my favorite sushi of all time. This tablet. And this isn't really homemade, but like I got it and like I just painted it. So yeah. So then I have this chocolate bar, and it's cracking too. Oh, where's it? Okay. Yeah, and those are my homemade sushi collection. I'm just trying something. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!